Today we are going to start a new chapter, which is branch account. Student, what is branch account? The meaning of branch account is a big business concern have its head office in one city and branches in various parts in one cities or different cities. If the head office is at Mumbai and the branch is at Nashik, so a big business is opening a branches for earning a profit and to expand the business. So branches are open to increase the sales of the business and to earn more profit. See the why we are making branch account. The purpose of branch account is to ascertain branch income. For calculating branch income, for calculating branch expenses and branch liabilities. The branch account helps the head office to decide whether a particular branch is earning profit or incurring loss and it should be continued or not. A business will see whether the branch is earning profit or not. If the branch is earning profit, it should be continued or it should be not continued. Which are the transactions to be recorded in the books of head office? Number 1, transactions between head office and branch. Any transactions between head office and branch is going to be considered in the books of head office. Point number 2, transactions between branch and head office. Reverse. Any transaction between branch and head office, we are going to record in the books of head office. And point number 3, transaction between head office and other, but in relation with the branch. Students, if head office is involved in any transaction, we are going to record in the books of head office. Any transaction between the branch and the outsiders are not recorded because by the head office in the branch account. Student, if the head office is not involved in any transaction, see in this entry, in this point, branch and outsiders is dealing and head office is not involved in this. So we are not going to record in the books of head office. List of no entries. Which are the entries which are not going to record in the books of head office? Very first entry, goods purchased by branch from creditors for cash or credit. If branch is purchasing goods for cash or credit, we are not going to record because head office is not involved in this entry. Point number 2, goods sold by branch to debtors. If branch sold goods to its debtors in cash or credit, we are not going to record because head office is not involved in this. Third entry, cash paid to creditors by branch. Branch is paying to creditors. So this is a transaction between branch and his creditors. Head office is not involved in this. So we are not going to consider in the books of head office. Collection received from debtors by branch. Branch is collecting amount from his debtors. So this is the transaction between branch and debtors. Head office is not going to involve and head office is not involved in this. That's why we are not going to write in the books of head office. These are the points which are no entries. See point number 5, any expenses paid by branch. Students, any expenses paid by the branch. Branch is paying any expenses. But in this entry, head office is not involved. That's why we are not going to record in the books of head office. Point number 6, discount allowed to customers. Branch is giving discount to his customer, but again, same point, head office is not involved in these transactions, so we are not going to consider in the books of head office. Discount received from creditors, suppliers. If we are receiving any discount from creditors, then also we are not going to write in the books of head office. Only those transactions we are going to record which is there between the head office and branch. If head office and branch is involved, then only we are going to write in the books of head office. Point number 8, bad debts. Any bad debts for branch. Again, in this entry, head office is not involved. So we are not going to write in the books of head office. See again, goods lost by the branch or goods damaged in transit. Head office is not involved. So we are not going to write in the books of head office, students. This is a small topic of branch. Thank you.